Hare Krishna. We humans face problems in every stage of our life. Like when you go to school, you face bullying problems. In college, exam problems. Finally, in office, working problems. To get rid of these frustrations, you'll need to have some help. But how? No worries. Join ISKCON, our 18 days Bhagavad-gita classes tutored by our devotional faculty. Choose the language that you can understand. Pick up convenient timings per your schedule. This course is free of cost. We have separate batches for adults, kids, and youths. We have successfully completed 27 batches. And here we go! It's a 28th batch. Don't miss this precious opportunity to get rid of this frustrating life. Hare Krishna!